How has Alex Becker been able to utilize YouTube ads and scale his ads to millions of views? Welcome back to Linx Digital University. My name is Drew Crawford and I'm your host. And in today's video, we're actually gonna go over one of Alex Becker's most popular YouTube ads. In less than 1 year, he's already generated more than 8 million views for this video. So with that data, I would assume it's profitable for Alex. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the first 30 seconds of this ad right now.
If you understand this one concept, you can make a full-time income from home. And if you don't believe me, that's completely fine. You shouldn't when a guy screams at you on YouTube. You should listen though, because all these people did exactly what I'm about to tell you, and they're achieving 5, 6, and 7-figure results. It's pretty cool. So here's exactly the one concept you need to understand. So see this sweet pair of pajamas right here. Here's the concept, and almost every store you've ever been in does this exact same thing. They buy these pajamas from China, where if you ever look in the back of your label, it says made in China, and they sell the pajamas that they bought for $8.
So as you can see from his hook, he really opens up the loop and makes you curious, how can I make a full-time income with this one concept, right? I'm gonna keep watching. So that first 5 seconds, he really hooks me in and makes me curious to keep watching more. And around the 7 to 8 second mark, he actually starts dropping social proof. You can see that all these successful students of his that have followed and learned this one concept went on to launch these stores. He still hasn't said what the concept is or what his offer is, but from these social proof, you can see that it's actually teaching people how to create an e-commerce store. So then really early on in this video, we're still at the 15-second mark, he's already going into the one concept. He's already teaching, he's already going into the context of what the hook was. And that's very strategic on why he's doing that, right? If you're using the skippable in-stream ad, which we recommend for the majority of our clients for our agency, you want to basically qualify the customer within the first 30 seconds and tell everyone else to get the heck off, right? Because you're paying for the view when the viewers watch past 30 seconds or if they've clicked on the call to action. So anyone that's watching this far, Alex is jumping into the context of it and he's explaining a little bit more of, what is all this about? And if you're interested, keep watching or click over now. I really love how simple this video is with a simple screen share where he's jumping on AliExpress and he's just explaining this concept, right? He's giving a concrete example that the average person can understand. I think it's what Alex does really well is he connects with the average person and he understands their psychology and really keeps things simple, right? There's the saying, it's KISS. Keep it simple, stupid, right? So don't try to overcomplicate things. Try to make things simple. Grab their attention, show them social proof, and actually just get right into it and keep it simple. Those are the 3 main elements that are working for Alex in the first 30 seconds of this video. And then later on in the video, as you'll see here in the screenshots, Alex does a great job of including the call to actions. So including the top right corner for mobile and then the bottom left corner for desktop with arrows. We implement those on our clients' videos as well. Show people exactly what they need to do and how they can do it. There's never such a thing as making something too easy. Whatever you can do to make it easier for the viewer to click over and take action, just do it. If I actually wanted to improve this ad and tested a few different variations against this control that's performing well, I would include some different hooks. An example of a hook that I would use would be in the form of a question. A good question to ask when hooking them in for this video would be, what is the one concept that allows people to create 5, 6, and 7-figure stores online? There's a little bit of a mysterious element in terms of what is the one concept, but at the same time, it gives them some context of what they're gonna be learning about. We're talking about 5, 6, and 7-figure online stores, so they have a bit of an idea of what the rest of this video is gonna be. But I would test a variety of hooks in the form of questions that would tie into the rest of this video. And the second thing I would do is I would add a better disqualifier. If you notice in the first 30 seconds, Alex kind of talks with a bit of sarcasm. If you know him and his personal brand, that's just the way he is. But he actually is using it as a disqualifier, right? He's saying like, hey, if some guy's screaming at you on YouTube, like you shouldn't trust him, right? But then you see all the social proof. So for the people that have that belief that, hey, like if some guy pops up on YouTube, I don't trust the YouTube ad, then he actually goes into showing you that people have followed his advice before and have had success. So you could do the same. So clearly this ad format is working for Alex with 8 million views in less than a year. So if you can take these certain elements of the curiosity hook, disqualifying them with social proof, and then getting into the meat or the context of the video before 30 seconds. This format has worked for him, and I can imagine it would work for your offer as well. Thank you so much for watching this episode on our YouTube Ad Hacks series. about Alex Becker and his e-commerce product offer. If you guys want more of these videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button as well. And until the next video, we'll see you then.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk